Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and a new video. So today's video is very important and helpful for all NEET 2025 aspirants who want to cover their NEET biology syllabus till December and score 360 in NEET biology. Now only 3 months are remaining for this 2024 year to end. And after that in 2025 on 4th May you will be having your NEET exam. Before that, the 4 months, that is January to April, you have to only revise the syllabus. So you will not be having enough time to complete the syllabus starting from the beginning. So these are the 3 months in which you can cover your NEET biology syllabus. So there are 3 months remaining, October, November and December. And you have total 32 chapters in biology, 19 chapters from class 11th and 13 chapters from class 12th. So in total 32 chapters. Now how to start from beginning? Let's assume that the students who are watching this, they haven't start from the beginning. They don't know a single word from the chapters. So for them this is very useful. So the first step is watching one shot lectures. So now only one shot video lectures can be covered in this time. These lectures are covered approximately for 7 to 8 hours. So you can easily go with one shot video lectures because you will not have enough time to sit for the long lectures that last for about a week or 10 to 15 days for one chapter of biology. So it is better to watch one shot video lectures. Second is read the NCERT of biology. NCERT is very important. Even if you not read any other book, NCERT is the must. So here either you can read the highlighted points or the short notes. If you haven't made short notes yet, then there is no need to make now because this is the not time to make short notes. You can highlight important points which will be helpful for your revision in the upcoming months, that is from January to April, that is before NEET exam. Third step is practice chapter wise questions. Now these questions you have to practice from the modules given by your classes or institutes or any other publication book which has chapter wise questions, and all types of questions are covered. Then you can go with PYQs, previous year questions. So previous year questions are very important. Even though you not practice these chapter wise questions, don't forget to practice previous year questions because they are very helpful. They make you familiar with the type of questions that are asked in NEET exam. Then analyze the PYQs, that is note down or mark previous year topics. Now previous year topics means those topics which are mostly asked topics from the chapters, that is high weightage topics. Now, there are some topics from a particular chapter that are repeatedly asked after every year. So, for example, from biomolecules, the chart of average composition of cells is asked in the form of, for example, match the columns. Then that type of question is repeated every year. So you have to focus only on that chart for that chapter and that type of question. In this way, you can also save your time. Then practice more. Now, which questions to practice more and in which questions students mostly face problems? So it is assertion and reason type questions. Then sentences based questions. Now these questions are like you will be asked which of the following statements are correct, which of the following statements are not correct, which of the following statements are incorrect or not incorrect. Now not incorrect means which are correct. So these are some confusing type of questions. So in these type of questions, you will be given some 5, 6 or 7 sentences in 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the options you will be asked which of the following is correct. So here these are the very time consuming questions because you have to read them, then you have to identify them, then you have to see each and every word of the sentence. So these are very important questions. Third is match the columns. And last, diagram based questions. Nowadays diagram based questions are also asked more. Last year also a diagram based question was asked from the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants and Anatomy of Flowering Plants. So don't forget to see the diagrams or examples. Remember the examples, especially from animal kingdom or biodiversity and conservation, and charts or tables or graphs. Graphs are also important. Now, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel and turn on the notifications and click on the bell icon to get notifications of more such new helpful videos. Now, don't watch one-shot lectures for these 10 chapters that I am going to tell now. So, from class 11th, first is body fluids and circulation, second, chemical coordination and integration, third, respiration in plants, and fourth is photosynthesis in plants. Now, why I am asking not to watch one-shot lectures for these chapters? Because these are the high weighted chapters in NEET biology and these are very important. If you are not clear with the concepts of these chapters, then you won't be able to score 360 in biology. And especially if you are starting from beginning, if you are not familiar with these chapters, you haven't read the NCERT previously, so don't watch one shot lectures. Try to watch the lectures, that is full lectures, which are carried for about a week. So these are very important chapters. Don't watch one shot lectures or you will not be able to understand anything. Now from class 12th, human reproduction and genetics is very important, very high weightage unit. From genetics, principles of inheritance and variation, molecular basis of inheritance and evolution. And from biotechnology unit, there are two chapters for biotechnology. So these 6 chapters from class 11th, don't watch one shot lectures because these are the high weighted chapters. But if you are already studied, if you have already studied these chapters and in the beginning or previously, then you can watch one shot lectures if you are scoring good in these chapters. But those who are starting from now, from beginning, don't watch one shot lectures. Now, how to cover these chapters in these 3 months without wasting a single day? So, the 10 high weighted chapters which I told you now, if you give 4 days for each chapter, so 40 days are gone for these 10 chapters, you will utilize the 40 days out of the 92 days, that is 3 months which are remaining for 2024. So for these 10 high weighted chapters, 40 days are sufficient, 4 days for each chapter. So on the first day you can watch video lectures, on the second day you can go with chapter wise questions, on the third day you can go with previous year questions, and on the last day you will have to revise that chapter. So in this way 4 days are sufficient for the high weighted chapters. For the remaining 22 chapters out of 32, 10 are high weighted chapters, remaining are 22. For these 22 chapters, 2 days are sufficient because these chapters are diversity in living world, biological classification, then biology in human welfare, then ecology. So these are easy chapters, so 2 days are sufficient. So here again 42 days. So in this way, you can cover all the 32 chapters. So now, what are the days left? So 92 days are the total days left. out of which you used 84 days for the biology preparation. So again 8 days are left. In these 8 days, you can either go for PYQ, solve previous year question papers, or even revise the biology syllabus. So you are done with biology syllabus in 2024. Then for the next year, that is from January 2025, you can prepare for boards also. So in this way, you can complete your NEET biology syllabus till December in 3 months. So this was about the video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe this channel for more such new videos. Thank you.